We as marketers know that every website should have a call to action form where somebody can enter in their details to claim some sort of offer. The problem is most websites don't, and therein lies the opportunity. With high-level forms, we can add a call to action form to any website. It's quick, it's easy, and it generates a ton of free leads. So let's go learn how to set it up. Okay, so first let's learn how to create a form, then we'll learn how to add it to a high-level website, and then we'll learn how to add it to any other type of website. So to create a form, we just need to go to Sites, and then we'll go to Forms, and we will click into Builder. Here we can click Create a New Form. And the first thing I like to do is give it a name before I forget. So let's name this Claim Offer. Then we'll click back to Fields, and let's drag in a field for the full name, email, phone, and then let's scroll down and drag in a button. Once we have our button field, let's click it and give that a better name. So we'll give it a call to action of Claim Offer. And you can see we have a bunch of style options for the button, but I just like to make them full width. And we'll click out of this. And then let's add some text above where we can put our call to action. So if we click that text field, we can change the text over here. And I'll just put some generic text like claim our awesome offer. If we click out of it, we can then control the style. So we could change the font. We don't need it to be that big. We can change the weight, the color, and even the font family. So I'm gonna go a little bit bigger. Let's make this 30 and I'm gonna center that there, and let's click out of that field and go ahead and just save this form. All right, so now let's learn how to put this on a high-level website. So let's go up to the Websites tab, and then let's click into that agency template website we loaded when we learned how to set up the web chat widget. Then we'll click the Edit button on the home page and click Edit Page. And every high-level page has a pop-up that you can use built right into the page. So to edit that, let's go to the top and click pop-up, and here we can build out whatever we want to be in the pop-up. So let's go ahead and click add row, we'll add one column and then add an element, and we're going to choose form. And here we'll get a modal asking us which form. So go ahead and type in claim offer to find that form that we just created, and boom, there we go. We've got our call to action form in our pop-up. And now we'll learn how to launch it. But check out one cool option with pop-ups. If you click the open pop-up settings and then scroll down, the very last option is a toggle to show the pop-up on exit. This means that we can launch this pop-up when someone tries to leave the page. It's a great way to get the call to action form in front of someone, even if they don't click a button. So now let's learn how to launch the form from buttons. So we'll go ahead and close our pop-up. We'll select our button. I'm just gonna change the text to match our offer, claim offer. And then right here, we get the button action. So we can see by default, it's set to open the pop-up. So if we hit save and then preview, it'll open this page in a new tab. And if we click our claim offer button, boom, there is our call to action form. We're now set up to generate leads right off this page. So now let's learn how to launch this form on a non-high-level page. Let's navigate back to our website area and let's go back to Forms Builder. Let's search for our claim offer form. And let's go ahead and click into that. And now at the bottom right, let's click this Integrate Form button. So we can embed this form on any website, and we've got options to have it stick to the left, to slide in, to pop up, or to just be an inline form on a page. Select the option you'd like, you'll get a few more options, but once you've got it configured to your liking, you just click this button to copy the code, and then you'd paste that code into the code of the other website. And with that, congratulations, you now know how to build and launch high-level forms to capture leads on any website.